Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we on auto rotate in a Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to on guys your phone auto rotate setting. So friends, how can you on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we on auto rotate in a Tecno phone device. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon if you're new in my channel. So friends, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, guys, scroll it friends, click on phone display and brightness setting guys. Tap on display and brightness. Friends again scroll friends you can see guys this auto rotate guys we will on from here this right side icon guys auto rotate screen we will on it. How to use open your phone means guys YouTube and guys any app and once you want to rotate your screen so guys you can rotate like that guys. So once you can use this auto rotate screen setting in your Tecno phone device guys. So like that guys we can on it and guys we can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate and how to use in Tecno phone. So bye guys.